Hey everyone, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a pinky neutral look using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. So let's get started. To start this look, I'm going to be applying eyeshadow primer. I'm using the Morphe one today. So I don't have the names for this palette, but I will point out the shades that I'm using. So to start, I'm using this shade right here for my transition. This is one of my favorite transition shades ever. Next, I will be taking this shade right here. I'm going to put that shade on the outer corner and crease. Next, I'm just going to blend. To deepen this up a little bit more, I'm going to be taking this shade right here. I'm just going to put that in the outer corner and a little bit into the crease. Next, I'm just going to blend a bit more. Next, I'm going to be taking this shade right here on my finger, and that is going to go all over the lid. I'm going to add a little bit more of that second shade that we'd used that was kind of a pinky tone. And I'm just going to place that kind of in the middle just to kind of blend it together and make it a bit more pink. For the lower lash line, I'm going to use the second of the matte shades that we'd used. I'm going to add just a little bit of the darker brown shade. For the inner corner, I'm going to take this shade right here. And the last step is to apply mascara. As usual, I'm going to apply the lower lash line off camera, and then I will be back. Okay, so here is the finished look. Overall, I am happy with this look. I think it turned out pretty good. It's not exactly what I was picturing when I started. I was thinking it would be a bit more pink, but I do like it. I was trying to do something a little different than what I've been doing in the past few videos, but I am still happy with how it turned out, and I love the Jaclyn Hill palette. I would definitely recommend it. As you saw in the clip, I did hit pan on one shade, and I have quite a few dips in the other ones. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!